Good morning, you guys. So it is fall in Tennessee right now, and we had a cold front roll through this week. So I went fishing the other day. I didn't catch nothing. I did get a new kayak. I'll post a little bit of that fishing day, but I didn't catch anything. I got one bite maybe that whole day, but basically the focus of that day was to try out the new kayak. Obviously I did want to catch some fish, but that day was 50 degrees, so I was really not confident on catching a fish. I know catfish bite all year, but you just have to find them during this time because the water's super cold for them and they're not as active as if it was in the more 60s. I guess is a good time to fish for catfish, which next week it's gonna be in the 60s, so I will be fishing next week. But basically I decided to go back to my roots, to when I started YouTube. And the reason why I had started YouTube is to document my fitness journey. I know it's already kind of late for me now that I'm almost at my goal, but I just wanted to start filming a lot more because the fishing has slowed down a lot up here, and I just keep going out and trying to film, but I don't catch anything, and I don't think you guys want to see that. So basically I'm gonna be filming, I'm gonna be talking about my workouts, I'm gonna be talking about what I eat, and then whenever I do get a chance to catch some good fish, I'll obviously, put that in there. But right now for the fall and the winter, my focus is gonna be more daily vlog type stuff. I really hope you guys enjoy this series. So if you guys have any questions or you guys have any suggestions, you guys want to see something, you guys want me to explain anything that I'm doing, my diet, any of that stuff, please comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's finish 3 more sets. I said 3. So let's finish 3 more sets, all right? All right, you guys, so the next workout is gonna be shoulder press with the dumbbells. 4 sets of 12, 50 pounds. And I really wish I had more weight, but this will work.
But I've only enough one thing. I've got a hunch I'm never going to feel no other kind of.
So I really don't have like a set workout routine, I guess. I literally just do like on the fly workouts, right? So if I'm doing push-pull leg routine, so today was push. Some days I'll do more chest, other days I'll do more shoulders, other days I'll do more triceps, but today is just relaxed, everything workout basically. So I just evenly distributed my time with each muscle group. So yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower and then show you what supplements I'm taking. I'm not taking that many supplements, but it does obviously help with your journey. So I hope you guys enjoy the workout. If you guys have any suggestions on any other workouts, please let me know. I'm open to suggestions, and I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, so the protein that I like to take is called Wheybolic Alpha, right? It's by GNC. It is 100% hydrolyzed protein. It has the essential amino acids, leucine and all that good stuff. And this one also has phenogreek in it. It's not a testosterone booster, but it's like a natural testosterone support basically. And it also has creatine HCl in there, and it's 40 grams of protein for 2 scoops. And it's only 210 calories, with only 2 grams of sugar for the whole thing. So I'll do 2 scoops in 8 fluid ounces of water. I will link this in the description, so if you guys want to try it out, go ahead and click the link. And also, I did try the strawberries and cream. It had a kind of weird taste to it. This is my first time going to be trying the cookies and cream flavor, so I'll let you guys know how I like it. Alright, so I just put the 2 scoops in here. Once I drink this, I'm gonna go take a shower and all that good stuff. But let's give it a good little taste test. I really like this pre-workout. I really like this protein. It mixes really well with this blender bottle right here. There doesn't leave any chunks or anything crazy like that. So we're gonna do a live taste test since this is gonna be the first time tasting this. Let's give it a taste test and I'll let you guys know how I like it. Alright, let's take it. Not bad. Okay, not bad. It doesn't have that, it still has that kind of weird flavor, but it's not as bad as the strawberries and cream one. But yeah, it's pretty good. I definitely suggest it. And yeah, if you guys want to know what pre-workout I'm taking, I usually take 3 different types. I like to cycle through my pre-workout. So once I finish, I just bought this Woke AF, 333 milligrams of caffeine. I'm a pretty high stem. I like high stem pre-workouts. 6 grams of L-citrulline and 3.2 grams of beta alanine, so it's gonna be a pretty high stem pre-workout. Another one that I like to take that I'm about to finish, I just have like 1 scoop left. It's I took the label off, but it's Lit AF. It's by GNC as well. And then once I'm done with that one, I'm gonna go back to Psychotic. Psychotic is one of my favorites. I finished Psychotic 2 months ago. I had Lit AF last month and Woke AF this month. So next month is gonna be Psychotic. Another thing that I also take is fish oils. Fish oils is another really good supplement to take. One of these pills is 1,000 milligrams. I usually take 2,000 to 3,000 milligrams of fish oil a day. Just helps with overall health and stuff like that. But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day, but I'll keep you guys updated. If I don't do anything, this is gonna be the whole video. And yeah, if you guys, I'm not a personal trainer, this is just what I do. But if you guys have any other suggestions, let me know. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, you guys. What's up, Ace World? We are at the Red River and I am going to do a maiden voyage on my new Catch 100 kayak. So this thing, here's all the specs. Pause to read. Right there, here's all the specs for it. It's pretty dope. Capacity 350 pounds, 10 feet, only weighs 54 pounds. This thing hopefully is gonna be much better than the other one I had. The other one was 12 feet, same, what's it called? Same amount of weight it could carry, 350, but it was 12 feet and it weighed like 70 pounds instead of this one weighing 60. Oh look, those are the pumps. Okay.